It's time for today's health hack. We're talking about treadmill time. It can be hard to motivate yourself sometimes, so we've got some tips to help you stay consistent with your workouts. Number 3, prepare a workout playlist. Music can be a great motivator when it comes to hitting the gym. You'll be able to look forward to listening to your favorite tunes and less likely to avoid your workout. Number 2, mix up your approach to the treadmill. Maybe one day try a higher incline and the next day work on sprinting. That way you can keep it interesting, which will help motivate you to stick with it. And number 1, recruit a friend to work out with you. You can hold each other accountable or even race against one another. Sharing your health journey with others is a great way to stay on track. For more health hacks, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.